If you dreamed of one of 7 of these characters, you are a happy person. It is necessary to understand, are there any prophetic dreams? There is a belief, from Thursday to Friday dreams come true. And also in a dream you can come across various symbols that we do not understand in ordinary life, but we need to understand them, since they will help to understand many things in life. And so a few interpretations of prophetic dreams. 1. Boxes. If the box is full, then this is good and speaks of well-being. And if, on the contrary, it's empty, then it will lead to big money problems. It means that perhaps a person will be disappointed with something or those around you will not finish something. 2. The fall. If you fall down, then this is bad and suggests that failure will be possible. And if you fall somewhere, it promises a loss in position. But if the fall sharply switches to takeoff, then this indicates that there will be luck in business. 3. Cats. It is believed that if you dream about a cat, then this is a scolding, and if you are small kittens, then a little misunderstanding. But in any case, if cats dream, then you can safely rely on intuition. 4. Teeth. If they fall out with blood, then they portend a disease. And if they fall out painlessly, then everything old will go by the wayside. 5. Ants. Foretell busy workdays. 6. Hair. If you dream that you comb your hair, it means that you are trying to figure out your problems. And remember, the longer the hair, the more confusing your problems. Golden hair is a sign of dignity and courage of your chosen one. A beautiful hairstyle in a dream is a sign of a successful turn of your affairs, but if your hair is cut too short, this is a warning, do not be wasteful to avoid unhappiness. If you see a wash of your own head in a dream, it means that you soon, secretly from others, make a trip that will give you great pleasure, if only its true purpose can be hidden from family or friends. 7. Water. She says that decisive action is required from you. If you dream of a calm sea, then some pleasant news await. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.